Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we'll be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions on the December 2016 paper. We'll be solving general aptitude questions on the life sciences and the physical sciences paper. So let's start off with the question. The question is, which of the following graphs correctly show the speed and the corresponding distance covered by an object moving along a straight line? So these are the options that have been given: option A, option B, option C, and option D. So before starting off with the question, we have to it should be specified that the dotted line represents speed. The dotted line represents speed and the dark line represents distance. So now let's proceed with the question. So we need to find out which of the graph correctly shows the speed and the corresponding distance covered by an object moving along the straight line. So as you can see in option A, the speed is decreasing. Now if speed is decreasing, it means that ultimately the distance will also fall, will also decrease with time. Change in distance, basically not the distance but the change in distance will also decrease with time. But as you can see here, the change in distance is increasing with increase in time. So therefore option A is incorrect. Now let's move on to option B. And in option B, here you can see that with time speed is also increasing and distance is also increasing. But both are straight lines. Here both speed and distance are increasing with time. Now as you can see here, the speed line is a straight line through the origin. So we can write that speed v is equal to some at, where a is a constant and t is the time. So that will imply that ds by dt will be equal to at, and that implies that s is equal to at square by 2 plus some constant, suppose c. So as you can see, the distance curve will be a parabolic curve, a second order equation curve. But as you can see over here speed is not a parabolic curve but a straight line. So therefore option B is incorrect. So now let's proceed to option D. In option D, you can see that here speed is constant. This is the speed. Here speed is constant. Speed is constant. So if speed is constant, that means that v is equal to constant if we take speed as the value v, and that will imply that ds by dt, which is the velocity or the speed v, is equal to some constant c, and that implies that s is equal to some constant c into t plus some other constant. So it will be a straight line through the origin. But as you can see over here the distance curve is not a straight line through the origin but some parabolic curve. The distance curve over here is not a straight line but a parabolic curve. So option D, so therefore option D is also incorrect. So the only option that we have been left with is option C, which is the correct option. So today we have solved a general aptitude question which came in the December 2016 general aptitude portion of life sciences and physical sciences paper. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.